Hi friends! Today we are baking a really soft, moist and an incredibly delicious raspberry lemon cake just because it's summer and berries are in season. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I upload recipes every week. If you're a subscriber, welcome. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Let's get into it. Whisk 3 eggs to 1 cup of sugar for about 5 minutes or until it changes color and it's creamy. To this, add a cup of sour cream, some coconut oil, some salt, and some vanilla for flavor. Whisk this on low speed until everything combines and set aside. Now, onto the dry ingredients. Add your baking powder to the flour and mix together. Incorporate the dry ingredients in batches of 3 or 4 into the wet mix until it is uniform. After this, add your lemon zest and juice and mix together. To your washed raspberries, add some cornstarch and lemon juice and mix. Please be gentle as these break easily. Grease an 8 inches baking pan with some butter and line the bottom with some parchment paper. Now divide your batter into 2, add the first half and spread to cover the bottom of the baking pan. Also, divide your raspberries and add the first half. Spread evenly and gently press down. Now, add the remaining of your batter and cover the raspberries as possible as you can and top it up with the rest of your berries. Bake for 55 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After 55 minutes, let the cake sit and cool for about 20 minutes before taking it out of the baking pan. Now this is not an overly sweet cake, so you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. If you don't have, just blend some granulated sugar and it does work perfectly, just like I did. This cake is definitely a win. Turned out really great. It's very easy to make, very soft and delicious. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you and see you next time.